We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. In British English, this is normally said as performance. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the faux syllable, performance. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as performance, performance in American English versus performance in British English. Did you get it? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.